Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to add events on the urbanmiami.com. Thank you all for watching this video and also assisting and making sure that events are getting added to the urbanmiami.com. So we're going to start from the beginning with logging in. If you don't have a login, we'll make sure you have a login to make sure that you're able to see this bar that I'm going to show you in just a second. So as you can see, it shows the website, which we can go through at a later date. The most important part right now is how you can go up to this toolbar right here and click dashboard. All right, as you can see, you'll be able to see the dashboard. This is the back end side of the website. You can see the events here, which we're going to run back into in just a second, but let's go ahead and get to it. So it takes a little while to load sometimes. We have Facebook open over here as well. So make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. We're going to come back over here. But these are what the list of events look like. As you can see, it's the name of the event, the image that shows up with the event categories. We'll go through that as well. The author of the event. These are people that, if it doesn't say Urban Miami, that means someone has added this event. Event data, the date, the time, the event type is a regular event, the price package. The price packages are disabled at this current moment. The date, this is the date that the event will happen, the transaction status, and the Facebook event link. We're going to go through that in just a second as well. So we're going to come over here to Tevolution. I'm going to scroll down. We're going to click Facebook events. So the cool thing about adding events on here is it's pretty easy just to add a regular event, which I'll make sure you understand how to do as well. But this is going to be more on adding the events from Facebook. So we're going to go over here to Facebook. We're going to pull up the events that you've pressed that you're interested in or that you're going to, so it can show up in your events, which eventually shows up in your calendar, as you can see right here. So then you come down and we see this. What is this? Black History, the Arc. Okay, Sankofa. Looks Urban Miami worthy. Boom. So this is the Facebook event ID. That's exactly what this number is. It's 1903. We're going to copy this number. We're going to go back over here to the Urban Miami, how to import. So we're going to import this event by event IDs. I haven't used these right here. Maybe one day, but not today. Event IDs, go here, paste, and push import. So we're only able to import public events. If it's a private event, for example, if you've added an event on Facebook before, you can make the event public or private. We can only add public events. So never mind this right here that says scheduled. That's something that I did earlier. So we're going to press edit here. As you can see, this event has been imported. We see all of this information. The category that Facebook has given us is family. The author is Urban Miami because we've added it to the website. So let's go ahead and click edit. Right now, this is not it. This is just the first part. We have to make sure the event is able to be published on the website. So we're going to go to edit. This is pretty cool because it kind of puts all of the event information in here for us. So over here, we're going to click events. This events tab, this is very important that we click events over here so we can make sure that it shows up on the home page. The start date we see is February 20th. Okay. Then the time is usually an hour back. Yeah, this one is 6:30, so we check the time over here. It says 6:30 right here, so we're going to go ahead and put 6:30 to 8. That's just 6:30 to 8 Central Standard Time. So that would be 7 to 9 on our side. So 7 to 9 p.m. When in doubt, just put the time, working off of black people time. So just put a time that people would pay attention to and come. As you can see, if we scroll down, we got to make sure you click one-time event. Make sure the dates right here are also correct. We can get into some caveats about that later. You see the flyer, you see the address. You just kind of review all these things, the organizer name, Sankofa Cipher. They don't have a website that they use specifically. What's most important is the event information, the date and time. And we can go through some of these things later, but we're going to press update. Then we're going to press view event. And this is just also so you can see it when you're comfortable and you know the events have been added. You don't have to go press view event. This says edit here because we're logged in as an administrator. It's not going to say that on regular logins. So you can see the event. This is how the event looks after you've added it. It's pretty cool with the Facebook. You see we have the ability to share different things and such. We have other events. Cool little thing over here that we need to take down soon. So we go over here to home. Cool. So we scroll down and we see that the event has been added successfully because it shows right here on our homepage. So that is how we import Facebook events to the urbanmiami.com.